Today I'm going to show you how to add alt text to images on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, step by step, so you can improve accessibility, help search engines understand your content, and make your site more polished and professional. Alt text is one of those small details that can make a big difference, especially if you want your website to be more inclusive and SEO friendly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and simple website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the page where your image is located. Once you're inside your site editor, look toward the top left corner and click Edit. This puts your page into editing mode so you can make changes directly on the page layout. Now locate the image you want to update. When you click on the image, a floating toolbar should appear. This toolbar gives you quick access to the most important editing options for that specific image. On that toolbar, click the pencil icon, which is the Edit option. This will open the image settings window where you can control different aspects of the image, including its alt text. Next, in the image settings window, select the Content tab. This is where Squarespace stores the text-related settings for the image. Once you're in the Content tab, find the field labeled Image Alt Text. That's the key field you need to fill in. Now type a clear, descriptive sentence that explains exactly what is in the image. For example, instead of writing something vague like image or photo, describe the subject, the setting, and any important details that matter. The goal is to make the description useful for screen readers and helpful for search engines without stuffing in keywords. Keep it natural, specific, and accurate to what the image actually shows. If the image is decorative and does not add meaningful content, you may choose to leave the text empty depending on your site's needs and accessibility strategy. But for most important images, product shots, banners, team photos, and blog visuals, adding strong alt text is a smart move. After you've typed your alt text, simply click outside the settings panel to close it. Then, once you're done editing the page, go to the top left corner and click Save. This makes sure your changes are applied and your alt text is stored on the page. And that's it, you've now added alt text to an image in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. It only takes a few moments, but it can really improve your site's accessibility and overall SEO. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.